It's just not an isolated course. It was providing some strong foundations to understand what trading is about. I am Gilles Laurentin. I'm based out in Paris, in France, and I am a father of 3 children. And basically, my interests are my children, obviously, tennis as well, and I like my job as well. So currently a sales executive in a big IT company. So I am making some demonstration of a software in order to sell it to my prospects and customers. And it's a financial software to help financial director better forecast their business. Yeah. So I started 20 plus years ago. I am engineer, so I started with a pretty technical job. I was coding some applications for an IT company in the business intelligence area. And I moved pretty rapidly to sales roles, so basically not building the software, but selling it, demoing it. And it was mainly financial softwares. So I have a good background on financial softwares development, and I went to trading a bit randomly, a bit by chance, let's say, where a friend was having a trading room, and he offered me to spend a couple of days with him. And when I looked at how professional traders were doing, I realized that it was something which was, if you want to be profitable at this activity, you really need to have some very strong strategies, and this is where on repetitive strategy. And when you say repetitive, you immediately think about algorithms. And as a developer, from a background point of view, this is why I started investigating algorithm for trading. And this is where I saw some information on EPAT and QuantInsti. So it's because it's on the news. It was in a website I was regularly looking at, where I saw an advertisement on QuantInsti on algorithm, and what I liked when I see the description was the fact that it was almost like being again a student, and it's just not an isolated course. It was providing some strong foundations to understand what trading is about, and algorithm more specifically. So it was the fact that it was quite there was a lot in it, uncovering the entire space of trading. So this is what attracted me. Okay. I didn't want to make just one webinar or on one particular topic, because you don't have enough information to be efficient. I think to be efficient in this space, you need to have a broad understanding on how things are going on, how market works, how risk management works, all that thing. But I was interested in this subject because it was dealing with forecasting time series. Basically, trading is about forecasting time series, and this is something that I did a lot at work. I have studied at school when I was younger, 20 years ago. So this is it's really I think I am one of the few who did not get some very strong operational experience on trading, but it wasn't. I could understand that everything was understandable, and I could catch up quite quickly. And I think anyway, if you want to be profitable at trading, you need to be very rigorous on the way you take decisions, and you have to build some very strong strategies. You cannot just buy or sell by chance or randomly. Otherwise, you 100% sure to lose, I believe. I do it completely differently now because now it's only studying. It's really I test something, so I have an intuition on how the market behave, and I code some alpha algorithm based on my intuition. I backtest them, and I check if it's working at night. That's all. So so I don't spend. In fact, the time I spend is more backtesting now. I just do that. It's backtesting with various futures in various regime, whether they are up or down or sideways. This is what I do. And one of my in my coding, in my algorithm, what I try to avoid is drawdowns. So it's very short. My trades are very short. I just want to gain a little, but surely with a high percentage of win. This is my strategy, and it's only intradays. In fact, this is where the lockdowns helped because since we weren't being able to go out as a family, I had time in front of my computer to read again, to listen again and again the various lecture. And I had to, since I don't have the traditional background, trading background that most of the students had, I had to catch up on a lot of things. So I had to listen and re-listen a lot the lectures, but at the end it's perfectly understandable. It's true that the thing that I have a good inclination for mathematics on the computer. It helps a lot. Yes, it's something that helped me understand quickly. Yeah, the feedback is really very positive, and I encourage everyone who wants to have with searching for a new challenge, for a new opportunity to learn. This is a very solid training. It's not. I really encourage people who wants to go a bit out of their comfort zone and learn new things to do it, because the lecturers are very knowledgeable, very credible, and it's serious. It's really a serious. It's a serious journey. So I have a very positive feedback. You need to be strongly motivated as well. You must know why you are here. Me, I had this clear intention to build an algo and work on it. This was something that was this was my strong motivation. Now I have my algo, but the thing is, I I keep have it evolved, and I keep trying new things to improve the returns, and to avoid drawdowns and volatility on my returns. So I try a lot of things, and yeah, it's fun. At the end, when you start to master the core subject that you learn at EPAT, afterwards it becomes fun because you just try new things and you see if it works or not. That's all. The only objective I had was to understand how trading works from a high and low level point of view as well. So to get, let's say, to have a good some good foundations around this activity. And the second thing was to give me to help me start building an algorithm, and give me ideas on where to go while building the algorithm. So this was my main objective. I did not have any kind of professional objectives in terms of working in an HFT firm or any trading floor. It was really for personal purposes I did this. In fact, the thing is, we don't have all the same background. I know me, I wasn't at ease on trading, but I was at ease on coding. Some are the complete opposites. They are at ease on trading, but not at ease on coding. Some will be at ease with statistical concepts. Me, I was, but some won't be. So it's just really understand what are your strengths and weakness, and focus on improving the strengths and developing the weakness. It's really about having a strong understanding on where you have to put the effort. Because trading is a bit of everything, in fact. It's a bit of economic knowledge, a bit of coding, a bit of mathematics, a bit of intuitions. It's a bit of everything. So you need to master all those fields to be efficient. And it generally speaking, it keeps evolving in all areas. So yeah, it's not just a one-shot training where, okay, I know how to do it. No, you will have constantly to learn and investigate new things, etc. Yeah.